Hello, my name is Maria Cazada. Today's date is July 12th. This is for my Juvenile Justice Administration class for the summer term. And today we're going to be looking at the data points for Project 3 on the OJJDP website. So to start, I guess I'll start up at the very top. Um, for the first question, I just typed in upper and lower. And then I clicked here on the first result it gave me. And it's going to give me a map here shortly. So we have it color coordinated by state, and it gives us both the delinquency and the status age, lower and upper. This one is going to particularly pertain to 2019. Sometimes on the website you can find information that's a bit more relevant, but sometimes they only have it displaying for whatever, like up to that year. So this one just happens to be 2019. And this one caps out at 17. Some states have 16 years of age and then 17 years of age for the jurisdiction. Other states have higher ages. So it just really depends on what you're looking for. And then down here, it describes it in a text format. So, for example, an upper age of 15 means that the juvenile court loses jurisdiction over a child when they turn 16. So, this is a very good visual tool for how the court can lose, I guess, yeah, jurisdiction for the different types of ages that the minors are presenting at. So, for question two, let me move this here. Came up at the top here. The second question was about how much of law enforcement is involved in petitioning juveniles into the court system. So for that, I did source referral. And on one of them, I'm going to show you the one that is on the website, but the one that I used for the actual project is a PDF that I got. Um, which I think yeah, just for time's sake, I'm going to use the first one here. So source a referral, it gives you the percentage of delinquency cases referred by law enforcement. So this one is kind of old. This one's older. This one's 1987. 1987? Yes, 1987, 1992, and 1996. Then if we go back one and we go to the second link, this one I think has the bars. Yep. So this one is for 2022. This one has the color coordinated by category. So this one's law enforcement, school, relative, and other. And you can have the filter adjusted to whichever one of them individually. For the third question, it was the frequently asked questions. So I came into research and statistical briefing book, and I came into frequently asked questions. This will probably take a second to load. And then I just came in here for the physical, like the actual data points. So you click these, I'm just gonna open up any of them and it'll show you this is like a plot graph. So this one gives you the time, the percent, and then the juvenile is gonna be this blue one here, and then the adult is gonna be this orange one. And then it has it again in like a text here. It does give you the option of saving it as an image, which I did for the actual data points I used on my project. Um, and then for the last one, we went into statistical again, and then we came into data analysis tools. And And this one, I kind of went back and forth. Oh, wait, sorry. Actually, I did. Let me look in here for a moment. For the fourth one, oh, residential placement. Okay. So we just came into here, residential placement. And then I did the PDF. So once it loads, I can kind of show. I came here to the second page. Actually, I use this one also for question two, I believe, about the referral. So yeah, so this one gives you the highest rates, the lowest rates of residents. It gives it to you um, just variables that pertain to the ages, the sex, the race, which I don't like saying race, ethnicity, and it gives you little tables here, like on the side, what type of the serious offense it was, um, if they were committed or if they were just detained. And yeah, so again, it's getting easier to navigate as we keep doing these projects because we're just getting more and more familiar with the the actual language of the domain. So yeah, that's it for project two, or rather project three. And we'll see you on project four.